Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video let's look into what all new things are available for iOS 26 related to button and sliders. So for button, the important thing is we have this button style. So if you want a button in glass or glass prominent, you can use that. So here you can see the button feels like a glass. I'm not sure how visible that is, but the button is kind of like a glass, and here this is a slider component. So here I'll come back to the slider later on, but here you can see I can just add this glass prominent as well. Okay, and I'll just run this. So in case if you want the glass to be even more prominent, you can use the button style glass prominent. Now coming to the slider, if you see we have this slider. I have set the slider value as 50 and the steps are 0 to 100. Here we have this text. Now for slider we have this things called ticks, which I didn't really understood. I think it is I don't know how different it is from steps, but from what I have noticed is they have added multiple ticks. So something like this, you can add something like this. I'm not really sure what difference does it make, because it was really confusing for me. So even my simulator is taking a bit of time to load, sorry about that, but let's just wait. So here you can see this is the glass effect. Okay, and here is our slider. So by default the value is 50, and if I try to move it, it jumps back to 10. Now let me try to rerun it again. I think the slider tick values is, it defines the value from 10 to 20 I guess, and here I have set the value as 0 to 100. If you want, you can pass this neutral value as well, but if you are passing this neutral value, then I think you need to remove this particular ticks option as well. So let's see that as well. So let's just wait. Typically previously you did not have the sticks. You will have to remove the sticks and just add in, which we have already have, and we need to add step as well, in case just to determine how at what steps you want to move when you slide the slider. Okay, so let's just wait for our app to load. Okay, and now if I try to move it, here you can see it jumps to 20. I think I can only move it from 10 to 20. That maybe that's the use case of this. So suppose if I make this as suppose 100. Okay, let's just move. Then I think this will move from 10 to 100, but I don't understand. We can make this as 10 as well, so it can move from 10 to 100, but I don't know, maybe sometimes you didn't want to move it beyond 10. You want to display 0 to 100, but you don't want. So if I try to move it, okay, it is moving now. So it goes from from 10 directly to, if I try to move it, here you can see it directly jumps to 100. There is no stopping in between. I can't really add steps to this, so if you want, you can add multiple slider tick as well. If I add step, it will fail on me, that's why. So let me show you that as well. So here I have added step, and here you can see it, we are getting this error, right? So you can just remove this. Okay, now here I have also added this neutral value. This is a new thing, which again I don't know what would be the use case of this. It looks really weird according to me, but let me just show it to you. Okay, I should have not taken this one, so I should have, sorry, because it is from 0 to 100, right? Let's take the step as 10, and let's take the neutral value as 25. Okay, I'll just stop this and I'll run this again. So let's just wait. Okay, so here you can see now at value 25 it had added this this particular thing. So I can move this slider like this as well, and I can move it on this side as well. So that's what the neutral value is all about. So yeah, hopefully you got the point. That's it. Thank you for